All right. Let's see what it is here. Add comment. All right. Hello. Bueno. Let's see. What's up? Ant underscore 916 up in the casa, if you will. What up? Welcome back to the 11 o'clock court. But I don't see nothing in the screen. James, that's because court hasn't started yet. Grasshopper, hey, Lives, thank you. Highly appreciate that. What's up, Shannon? Welcome back to a brand new episode of You Have a Collect Call From. Let's see what the dog break drags in today. What up, Adam85? Hello, hey, what's up? How's it going? She just right here getting the stream going a little bit early. A few minutes early before it starts up. Let me see. Chilling, bro. That's right. It's 10:56. Hopefully, court, if it's on time, it should be starting up in about 4 minutes or so, if you will. What's up, Angela? Welcome back to it. You Have a Collect Call From. What court? What court, you ask? This is going to be Maricopa, Arizona, 11 p.m. court. What? And you're saying 11 p.m.? But where I live, they only have court during banking hours. They don't have court at 11 p.m. As a matter of fact, I live in Maricopa County, and this can't be true because I never heard of them having court this late at night. Let me see. My name is... I had no idea there was court this late. Thanks for everything. I'm in Oregon. That's right. What's up, Jelly Butter 9292? Welcome back. So, yeah, I can't believe my ears. Where am I from? Phoenix, right, Angela? That's right. Proceed with caution. Proceed with extreme caution, if you will. And a bottle of pepper spray, too. Because, hey, Phoenix and Tucson, wild. It's like the Wild Wild West out there. Like freaking, like the Walking Dead, if you will. Let me see. Chris, hey, thank you for the yo. What up? Let me see. Angela. Oh, it's all day. You ain't lying. I believe you. I've seen those people walking around there like freaking The Walking Dead. Like those YouTube videos and TikTok videos that I see all the time. What days do you do Pima? It just varies. It just varies on my schedule. That's all it is. But I do stream them. I do stream this on YT all day, every day. So if you want to catch it, damn, there it is. Core, is back on. All right, and I'll dim the screen right now once they start talking, which should be in the next 3 minutes or so. Let me see. Yo, ready for the 11 hearing rights, JC. That's right. Let me see. Angela, hey, thank you for the daily heart. Highly appreciate you. Little Jackie, gracias for the daily heart also. Hey, it's not required, but it is highly appreciated, guys. Whenever you guys shoot them daily hearts, if you will. If you haven't done so, please do so. Hit that follow button. It's free 99. Hey, what's up, Brent loves Pat. Hell yeah. Good morning, good evening, James and chat. Shit's good night for me, to be real with you. So we got 21 people watching right now on one stream. We got 4 people watching on the other one. So hey, thank you guys. As a matter of fact, let me get the chat up on the screen. Let me start before the court starts. Man, I'll start losing track of everything that's happening around here. You know, I got that attention span of a squirrel, if you will. So I definitely don't want to get sidetracked. All right. Let's see. Hey, thank you. Just a small town girl. Tap. Hell yeah. All those taps help. They definitely help out. You know, get us into the FYP, get us into the algorithm, if you will. So let me get this chat. So I got everything up. I think I got everything on the screen there. So I shouldn't. Hey, what's up, Roxy? How's it going? Welcome back to a brand new episode of You Have a Collect Call, and welcome. Y bueno. What's up? Manolo is back in the house. Let's see who we got. We won't go ahead and do the roll call. Oh, snap. Let me go ahead and get the roll call right. We got Angela. We got Adam. We got I think that's Casey right there. We got Shannon. We got Roxy. We got Chris. We got Manolo. We got Jelly Butter. We got user 406 481 58192. Damn, man, you gotta change your name. Jazzy Sunflower. Who else do we got here? We got Problem. We got Faith. We got We got Kyron. We got Jeremy. We got Christine.
All right.
All rise. We got Queen J. We got Miss Minnie. We got Honor Kim. We got, man, the list keeps on going right here.
Thank you.
Hey,
Please
what's
be
up,
seated.
Lexi? What up, Dizzy? Hey, thank you.
This is the
Hey,
11
thank you,
p.m.
Shannon.
calendar on September 30th, 2025.
Did he
Orders
say
given on
11?
the first of the month regarding the taking of DNA and fingerprints. Those orders are made
James,
in
I
effect
can't
today.
see. Can you move your
What that
head?
means for you in the courtroom is this: not every single one of you has to give your DNA or your fingerprints. If you have to do that, those orders will be on your paperwork. My name is Commissioner Beck. I'm here to do a few things for you. Number one, I'm here to let you know why you're here. Number two, if you might be released. Number three, if you're going to be assigned an attorney.
Wow.
The vast majority of you will be assigned an attorney, which leads to my number one rule. Please don't talk about the facts of your case. Anything you say or do can be used against you. Everything in the courtroom is video recorded.
Oh,
So
it
please
is.
don't
It's
talk
video
about the facts of
recorded
your
for
case
sure.
unless it's with your attorney. Second, I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions for me. Unfortunately, I'm
Don't
not your
ignore my
legal
messages.
counsel.
If
I
you
can't
will.
answer legal questions for you, so please save those types of questions for your attorney. Finally, you're going to be hearing about lots of different dates, different types of release conditions. You don't have to memorize all that stuff. All that information is going to be on your paperwork. That's why it's important to keep your paperwork and save it. Don't lose it. If you end up missing a court date or you don't follow a written court order, you could just end up back here. Here's how tonight's going to work. I'm going to call two names. First name I call is going to come in the courtroom and stand in front of me at the podium. Second name I call is going to sit on that chair next to the door. Then we're going to keep on cycling through until the calendar's finished. Okay, please get Dean Brown to the podium.
Let's
Bear
get
and
ready
Knox
to
the chair, please.
rumble. What do you guys think is the first case going to be? What kind of charges? DUI, shoplifting, Circle K, Walmart, Dollar Tree, or Target? Some, did he have some scante? What kind of crime do you guys think this individual got today? Battery, right? Yeah, did he have a little bolsita? DUI? DV? What? Hey, where's the individual at, man? We're over here waiting. Come on, get your casting your guess over here. Oh, no wonder that fool's like freaking. Get this guy a wheelchair. Get this whippersnapper.
Hi, can I get your name and date of birth,
On the
please?
late train.
This is Dean Brown. It's in 1958.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case.
Oh, claim
You've been arrested
jumper.
for possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony. Possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. I found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are October 6, 7, and 9 in the downtown Superior Court. Because it's been alleged that you committed this offense while you were out on release for your other felony matter,
What up, E.
you're
Rose?
actually going to be held non-bondable.
Driving while old.
All right, sir, come on, please step to your left for your paperwork.
Yeah, old claim jumpers definitely messing
Bear
up
Knox
over
to
here.
the podium.
Damn, it
Lionel
sucks to
James
get
to the
old. You
chair,
know, like
please.
you might be thinking, damn, James, that's scandalous. He's old. His body's giving out. Hey, it just happens. It's just wear and tear. You know, it's gonna happen to all of us. Hopefully not anytime soon, though.
Hi, sir, could you please take your arms out of your sleeves?
Was he playing pocket pool
Thank
over
you.
here in court?
Can I have
Come
your
on,
name
bro.
and date of birth, please?
Baron Knox,
Why you ignoring
1978.
me on
Thank
so
you.
late?
You're here
Come
today
on,
on a
bro.
probation violation warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's October 7th at the downtown
What up,
Superior
Mondo?
Court. Based upon the alleged violation of your probation, sir, at this time you're going to be held non-bondable due to that alleged violation. So again, our next court
What
date
up,
is going to be
Linda?
October 7th.
It's 2 a.m. my
Why don't
time.
you
That's
step to your left
right.
for your paperwork, sir.
Step to the left.
Lionel James to the podium. Marcus Black to the chair, please.
Lionel Hayes, come on down. It's 1 a.m. where I'm at. What? Man, it's 11:04 where I'm at. I'm on the West Coast, if you will. No bond, sir, if you will. Price is wrong.
Name
What
and
up,
date of birth,
Matthew?
please.
Lionel James, 72681.
Thank you. Sir, you're here today on a Superior Court arrest warrant. Probable cause was previously found for possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. Possession of drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony.
July
These were alleged to
15.
have occurred back on December 7th of 2022. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are October 6, 7, and 9 in the downtown Superior
6,
Court.
7, and 9.
Because
What's
it's
9?
been alleged that you committed this offense while you were out on release for one of your former felony offenses, you're going to be held non-bondable at this time, sir. Why don't you please step to your left for your paperwork?
This is what charges?
What
Possession of
charges?
dangerous drugs and possession of drug paraphernalia.
From when?
I'm sorry?
From when?
2022. And at that time, you also had a forgery case going on. While you were out on release on that forgery case, it's been alleged that you committed this offense. So So that's why
Roddy!
you're going to be held non-bondable, sir.
You haven't worked in 18
Why don't
months?
you step to your left for your paperwork?
He's still on one. What
Marcus Black to
okay?
the podium. Seferino Medina to the chair, please.
Hey Gregory, thank you for that. Thank you for that badge. Highly appreciate you. You're gonna be packed tonight. You ain't
Name and
lying.
date of birth, please.
5/20/95.
Name, please.
Marcus
Kimberly.
Black.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's going to be October 7th at the Downtown Superior Court.
October 7th.
Based upon the alleged violation of your probation, you're going to be held non-bondable at this time, sir. So again, your next court date's October 7th. Why don't you please step to your left for your paperwork?
Damn, this judge is getting them out the way,
Seferino
just
Medina
knocking
to
them
the
out.
podium. Lisa Mullenix to the chair, please.
It's like the conveyor belt of justice, if you will. No bonds tonight, right? It's your bay, Lexi.
Name and date of birth.
Seferino Medina, 7184.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for 3 counts of aggravated assault, Class 3 felony, 1 count of stalking, Class 5 felony.
Stalking?
1
Oh,
count
that
of
gets an
aggravated
hour.
domestic violence, Class 5
And
felony.
DV?
2 counts of aggravated harassment during the course of an order of protection, Class 6 felony. 3 counts of threatening and intimidating, Class 1 misdemeanor. 2 counts of disobeying the order of a court, Class 1 misdemeanor. 1 count of harassment, Class 1
what?
misdemeanor. 1 count of prevention or interference of the use
Hey,
of
what
a
up, Gio?
telephone in an emergency, Class 2 misdemeanor. I have found probable cause on all charges. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are October 6th and October 9th in the Downtown Superior Court, setting a cash bond of $100,000. If you're
100?
able to bond out, you're going to be
Oh.
on pretrial services
Good luck to
supervision
you,
with the electronic ankle
dude.
monitoring. Furthermore, not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any of the victims whatsoever. Do not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. You have to follow the order of protection.
Hey, what up,
You're warned that a
Hector?
violation of a no victim contact order can lead to further Class 6 felonies.
Hey, that's a second
Please step to left your
that's a
paperwork, sir.
second stalker from today. There was a stalker
Lisa
from
Mullenix to the podium.
Pima County this
Jerry
morning.
Ruiz to the chair, please.
That fool got he got I think $500,000 bail, I believe, if I'm not mistaken.
Name and date of birth, please.
Lisa Molinek, 7/29/1973.
Thank you. Ma'am, you're here today on
10,000.
bond surrender. Your current bond company no longer wants to work with you.
Damn, they're
and
revoking
so
her
they've
bail.
brought you back to custody. So at this time, I'm not assigning you a new attorney because you're already having your assigned attorney. Your next court
Any
dates are
single
October
ladies.
6th and October 9th in the Downtown Superior Court. You're going to get the same exact release conditions that you had before you bonded out, ma'am. So that includes a $50,000 secured appearance bond. If you bond out, pretrial services supervision with alcohol and drug testing and monitoring with an electronic ankle monitor.
Hey, what up, Anita?
Furthermore,
Thank you
if
for that
bond
daily
out,
heart.
you're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness.
Shannon,
You're not
thank
to
you for
possess any
that,
weapons,
Bear.
drugs, or alcohol. And you may not reside at the same location as any alleged victim, nor go to the alleged victim's residence, even if you're the owner or renter of the property. If you presently reside with them, you must find an alternative residence. You get 1 civil standby with local law enforcement.
It has to be domestic
Essential
violence.
belongings. Please step to the left for your paperwork.
Normally, when there's a civil standby, it has to
Jerry
do with
Ruiz
domestic
to the
violence.
podium. Sean Hummel to the chair, please.
But then again, hey, I'm not a lawyer. That's just my guess from watching all these law
Name, date of
shows,
birth,
Law and
please.
Order and Unsolved Mysteries.
Jerry Montoya Ruiz.
Thank you.
Night
You're
court.
here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for fraudulent schemes and artifices, a Class 2 felony.
I'll
Theft,
take
Class
her in.
3 felony. I found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are October 6th and October 9th in the Downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $5,000. If you're able to bond out, you're going to be on supervised
Matlock.
release with
Magna
alcohol and drug
PI.
testing and monitoring. Furthermore, if you bond out,
Love
and go back to
Island.
the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, and you're not to possess any weapons.
The Young
drugs,
and the
or
Restless,
alcohol.
And
General
what time
Hospital.
bond out? Do I bond out today or
the Golden Girls.
Someone has to pay for you at 4th Avenue Jail.
Tonight?
That's
Heck,
what
you know
bonds
more
are paid.
than
that's tonight, right?
than
That's
some.
whenever someone can get there.
Okay.
All right,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Actually
Please
carry
step
that
to the
title of the lawyer.
Sean Hummel to the podium. Zachary Petrie to the chair, please.
Street investigation is better than most.
Name and date of birth, please.
Sean Hummel, 2/15/82.
Thank you.
What up,
You're here
Laura?
today on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's October 7th in the Downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $3,000. If you're able to bond out, you're not to have any contact with any victim or witness, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, You have to contact your PO within 3 days. Why don't you please step to your left?
Hey, Roxy, I might need your number just in case I need somebody to
Zachary
represent me.
Petrie to the podium. Luis
Preferably.
Valencia to the chair, please.
Or pro bono if you are a fire girl. Thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate you. Kay Larson.
Name and date of birth, please.
Zachary Petrie, March 4th, 1986.
Thank you. I apologize for mispronouncing your last name. You are here on two matters
Brandy.
of municipal court warrant. Actually, you're here on two municipal court warrants. Both of those are out of the Goodyear City
And I don't think
Court.
anybody's getting the jobs today, if you will.
At this time, sir, I'm not assigning you counsel because I'm not finding that you're indigent at this time. But, sir, between now and
The
then,
car battery from Costco?
if you are between now and October 8th, if you find
I'll
that
do
you're
it at
not
the end,
able
all
to
right?
hire an
I
attorney,
got you.
would you please let the Goodyear City Court judge know to assign
This
you
is
an
not a
attorney
job
if you find
interview,
yourself
I'm being
without one
for
by
real.
October 8th? Would you do that?
Okay.
All
Are
right,
these
thank you.
court hearings live? Yeah, for
On
sure
your
they
first
are,
case,
Miriam.
sir, again, both your cases, October 8th at the Goodyear
Come on,
City
people,
Court.
tap. Hey, thank you, Gio. Highly appreciate your energy.
On the first one, I'm going to reduce that bond. It's going to be a $200 secured appearance bond.
This is initial hearings, or
On your
initial
second
appearance.
case, I'm going to affirm that bond. That's a $2,500 secured appearance bond. So grand total, $2,700 secured appearance. If you're able to bond out on both of your matters, you're not to return to the scene of the original crime.
Thank you, it's your
no
bae.
contact with any victims or witnesses, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
I am able to bond out, but
Okay.
I don't have anybody to go down and pay for me.
Then you
Right.
can't
I
bond
have the
out
money.
then.
You're going to have to call a bond company. So there's either in this facility or the next facility. they
He's
send
being
you to,
defensive.
there's a
All
list of
that
bond
crossing
companies.
your arms
You're
in front
gonna
of your
have to call
honor.
one of them to bond you out.
Right, but
That's a
I've
no-go.
tried before. It's almost impossible.
So
I mean, I have the money, but you call them and I can't give them a card number because you have all my cards. It's
What up, Captain Austin?
I understand, sir, because you have your property, they have your property, and you don't have access to your property until
Right.
you're out. I get the catch-22, but at this point, sir, I'm going to affirm one bond and I reduce the other bond. I'm not sure what else to tell you, sir.
Again, I have the funds, but my hands are tied because I'm in here.
I'm not sure what to tell you, sir.
Hey,
There's-
no
unless
need to
there's
be
someone
smart.
else that you can call.
Their buddy Stu.
All right. Thank you, sir.
It's not the
Luis Valencia to the podium.
judge's fault
Ian
that you're
Davis
wearing
to the chair,
flip flops and you
please.
don't have nobody to bail you out. Daniel, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate you.
Name and date of birth, please.
Luis Valencia, 09/30/1997.
Thank you. You're here today on a justice court warrant, a Superior Court arrest warrant, and a justice court new case. Let me talk to you about your felony warrant first. Probable cause was previously found for 2 counts of aggravated DUI Class 4 felonies.
For
These
sure,
were alleged to have
Captain.
occurred back in May of 2024.
Ryan, thank you for that
I'm
daily
assigning
heart.
you an attorney.
Wow.
Your next court dates are October 6th and October 9th in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $1,000. You also have a justice court warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date's October 3rd. That's at the Arrowhead Justice Court. I'm going to reduce
That's right,
that bond to
Hector.
$200. Finally, you have a justice court new case.
What up, Eric? Thank you for that
You've
daily
been
heart.
arrested for driving on a suspended license, Class 1 misdemeanor. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is October 3rd at the El Centro Justice Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $100. So total $1,300 secured appearance for all 3 of your cases. If you're able to bond out, you're going to be placed on supervised release. You're going to have alcohol testing
Sheila,
and
thank you for them
monitoring.
3 roses.
Furthermore, if you bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol, and you cannot drive any type of motor vehicle. Why don't you please step to your left for your paperwork.
Thank
Ian
you for-
Davis to the podium.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah,
Christopher
that's right. It's
Fredericks
free
to the chair,
99.
please.
Tap that screen. It's free. It's free for you. It's free for me. Yeah, K. Larson Road. Use Apple Pay.
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
38? What
Ian
the? What,
Davis.
Hector? At what time?
And,
What up, Casey?
11, 18,
Come on, spit it out there, brother.
2001.
Thank you, sir. Sir, you're here today
Christy,
on a
thank you for
probation
that.
violation warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's October 7th in the downtown Superior Court. Your probation officer
What up,
is
Angel?
alleging a violation of Term 1.
Isaiah,
This
thank you
time
for the
setting a
follow.
secured appearance bond of $1,000. If you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Well, so he
Most
got a
important
kink in
thing,
his
if you
neck.
bond out,
It
you got to
seems.
contact your PO within 3 days.
If I may ask, what was term 1 in this?
Term 1 means you committed a new offense.
What?
Okay, all right.
All right, sir?
Yes,
Why-
sir.
why don't
That's
you step to the left of
preposterous, Your
paperwork?
Honor.
Sure thing, sure thing.
I didn't
Christopher
commit
Fredericks to the podium.
preposterous,
Roosevelt
I tell you.
Robinson to the chair, please.
Hey, Eros, thank you. I really appreciate you tapping that screen, man. That's all you. Right there. Thank you, guys.
Name and
Oh,
date of birth, please.
Christopher Fredericks, December 4th, 2004.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's October 7th in the downtown Superior Court.
hey,
I'm
PJ,
affirming the
gracias.
bond set by your probation
Appreciate you
violation
tapping
judge.
that screen.
It's a $1,000 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Oh,
Most importantly, if you
Shannon!
bond out,
I
you
hate
have to
blown out
contact your PO within 3 days.
colors. Oh, those are the
Please
worst.
step to the left for your paperwork, sir.
I can never walk around with a collar
Roosevelt
like
Robinson
that.
to the podium.
Victor,
Robert
thank you.
Venegas to the chair, please.
Victor, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate you, man. You know, you already know, Shannon. I don't like that, if you will.
Name and date of birth, please.
5/6/85.
And
Excuse
name,
me?
please.
Roosevelt William Robinson.
Thank you. You're here today on a failure to appear warrant. I'm not assigning you a new attorney. You're going to go back to your original attorney. Your next court date's October 7th at the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It's a $750 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. Why don't you please step to your left for your paperwork, sir?
No, I
God
haven't.
bless you.
Thank
Just,
you, sir.
I really haven't been
Robert
on.
Venegas to the podium.
Just like the last few days,
Eric
I've been.
Ingersoll to the chair,
Did you see
please.
the end of the 8 p.m. The 20-year-old with? Yeah, I saw that, Hector. People were saying that he was from 1974. I was like, there's no way that dude was from 1974. No way, no how.
Robert M. Venegas, the second, 411. 411.
And then that dude with the walker,
Thank you.
that he was
You're here today on a
carrying it in the air like he
secured
just
warrant.
don't care.
Probable cause was previously found for theft, a Class 3 felony. This was alleged to have occurred back in December 6th of 2019. I'm assigning you an attorney.
What up, Queen?
Your next court dates are October 6th and October 9th in the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your trial judge. It's a $500 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're going to be on supervised release.
Nah, Sierra,
in the
come on, you
electronic
know
ankle
already.
monitor.
Come
Furthermore,
on,
if you bond
man.
out, you're not to return to the scene of the original crime. No contact with any victim or witness.
Is this
You're not
live?
to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Nah, hell no, this ain't live. This is AI generated. I'm in bed
Actually,
sleeping
so
right
I am
now.
gonna get an ankle monitor.
Yes.
AI has got it
And then
really good.
two, if I have the money in my
I feel like it's
wallet,
been a
can I
lifetime.
bail
Yeah,
myself
it's been a
out?
minute.
Unfortunately, no. Someone on the outside is going to have to bail you out, and then you got to pay him back.
Okay.
Pima
okay.
County, I started
And
doing
that's
it
at
today
Fourth Avenue
again.
Jail.
Okay.
That's where they pay.
Pima
All right,
was
thank
kind of
you.
wild today. The morning
Eric
one.
Ingersoll to the podium. David
James,
Gutierrez to the
I'm
chair,
rich
please.
at life. Hey, that was a good one. Polk County, man. I'm going to try to do Polk County for you guys tomorrow. No,
David
bro,
Burke,
thanks
please.
for your
Eric
sarcasm.
Ingersoll,
You are welcome.
10974.
Thank you. Sir, you're here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is
yeah,
October
yeah.
7th in the downtown Superior Court. Your probation officer has alleged violations of terms 1, 3, and 5. At this point, I'm setting a secured appearance bond of
Maricopa County.
$250.
The
If you're
chat
able
is
to
so
bond
funny.
out, you are not to return to no contact with any of the victims or witnesses.
Because
Not
they
to
take all
possess
your
any
belongings
weapons,
away.
drugs,
You
or
don't have a
alcohol.
wallet. You got no
Most
money.
important thing, if you bond out, you got to contact your PO within 3 days.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork. David Gutierrez to the podium. Thomas Nichols to the chair, please.
So once you get to this point right here, when you're for the judge, you don't have anything. You don't got your phone. You don't got your wallet.
2000.
Thank
You don't even have
You're here today
shoelaces
on
on your
justice court
shoes.
warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next
thank
court
you,
date
Gio.
October 3rd. That's at the Arrowhead Justice Court. I am reducing your bond down to $100. If you're able to bond out, you're not to
100?
possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Any ladies
Yes,
want to
sir.
bail him
Thank
out?
you. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
Thank you, God bless.
Thomas Nichols to the podium.
Matthew.
Nathan Jones to the chair, please. Name and date of birth.
Is
please.
this live?
was June 2nd, 2004.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior
He's
Court
messing
new
with
case.
you.
You've been arrested for impersonating a peace officer,
I'm
Class
on
6
way.
felony.
Roxy.
I have found probable cause. I'm
No,
assigning you an
gracias.
attorney. Your next court dates are
What up,
October
Damo?
16 and October 17 in the downtown Superior Court. Upon the promise to appear, I'll be releasing you today. There's some conditions to your release. You're going to be on supervised release, and have an electronic ankle monitor, and you're going to be on curfew.
Impersonating a peace
Furthermore,
officer?
Once you're released, you're not to return to the scene of the crime.
Oh, that fool's
No
done.
contact with any victim or witness. No contact with your co-defendant. And you're not to possess any weapons, drugs,
What
or
up,
alcohol.
Julian?
you understand all these conditions?
Yes, sir.
And do you promise to follow all these conditions?
Yes, sir.
Like,
I know you have weapons. Do you have how many weapons do you need to give up?
Well, they took one out of my car at my work when they arrested me. So does that...
stop incriminating yourself, you dummy.
How many more weapons
Plead the
do you
fifth.
have that you need to give up?
What do you mean give up?
That you're not to possess any weapons.
Yeah, I'll give them to someone else that has...
You can't possess them. You can't give them away.
Okay, then I'll call them and tell them to take them away before I get
How many, sir?
Don't tell him.
One... That's it.
Plead the
One in
fifth,
my
you
room.
moron.
That's it? All right. So, sir, do you understand if the weapon's at home, you can't go back home until someone takes it out? Do you understand? Or unless you open the door for them to take it. Do you understand that?
Yeah, if it's in a safe in a different room that I don't have a code for, that's fine.
No, you
I can stay
dummy.
at the house still?
As long as the weapon's not there, you can stay here.
Okay, yeah, that's... Yeah.
Hey, Peter, thank you for the
I'll
follow.
call them before and then have them take it.
That's correct.
Yeah.
All right. So you promise to follow all these conditions?
This
Yes, sir.
fool?
Do you promise to
He's
appear
a
on October
tonto.
15 and October 17 at the downtown Superior Court?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand if you don't show up, they'll issue a warrant for your arrest?
Yes, sir.
Upon a promise to
This
appear,
was a
I'll be
class act. No wonder he got arrested for impersonating a cop.
Sir, it's your responsibility to call them during normal business
I mean,
hours
he has
once
the
you're out of
look.
Custody. If you fail to call them, you could end up back here. Do you understand
But he
that?
must have not had the
Yes, sir.
confidence.
Call them for what? Just to follow up?
You have to call. You're going to be on supervised release, so you're going to set up. You're going to.
They're gonna let this fool
talk to
out?
Whoever's going to be your supervisor while you're out of
Well,
custody,
is the number's on the paper, I'm assuming?
and it's in the envelope on your paperwork.
Okay.
All right, sir. Do you understand? If you don't call them, you could end up back here.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
What is
Please
this guy,
step
like
up
5
here.
years old, impersonating the cops? Who does that? He should just
Before I
become a real
call
cop.
Mr. Jones, I have two individuals that I need to see back at their cell. They pose a
Brother, you're
risk of harm
supposed
to
to,
themselves or to others.
plead the
Chelsea
fifth.
Dalton, date of birth 12/21/1992, here on a probation violation warrant. I'm
Did he
planning
get
to
out?
call
Yeah, he's
next
getting
court
out
date,
on,
October 7th at the downtown Superior Court.
supervised
Affirmative
release.
affirmative
Ankle
bond of
monitor,
$250,
if you will.
secured appearance. If she's able to bond out not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol, must contact her PO within 3 days.
House calls.
Kai Webster, date of birth 6/16/2001, here on a fugitive of justice warrant.
Hey, Gio, gracias for
This
jumping
time
on over to the other one,
his
man. Appreciate
fugitive
you.
of justice hearing on October 13th in the downtown Superior Court. He has a $75,000 cash bond. If he's able to bond out, he's not to possess any
He's
weapons,
definitely
drugs, or
putting it in
alcohol.
his safe.
After
He
visiting
doesn't
with
know
these
the
individuals
code,
back
too.
at their cell, if I have to make any changes to these release conditions, I'll come
What
back
up,
on the record to
Mondo?
make those changes.
Manolo.
Nathan Jones to the podium, please.
All right, up next on The Price is Wrong. Let's see what kind of case do you guys think we got coming up now?
Name and date of birth, please.
Nathan Jones, 05/06/2002.
This guy looks
Thank
like
you.
he works at the door
We're
at
here
a
on
bar or a
fugitive
club.
of justice warrant. That's another name for an extradition warrant. This time, I will be, at this point, I'm going to be affirming the extradition hearing that's currently set for October 13th in the downtown Superior Court. Sir, you have a $75,000 cash bond, and I believe, one second.
Hold up. David, FY, let me see. What did you put, David? I missed
And
that
sir,
message.
the state of Connecticut is the state that wants you back.
If you call Belmont's man, they will
Sir,
bomb
if you're
you.
able to post that
with a promise.
$75,000 cash bond, you're not to possess any
That's
weapons,
right, David.
drugs, or alcohol.
Understood. Yes, sir.
All right. So, sir, did you have a chance to read that white card?
I did, sir. I would also like to just state that I am in rehab currently at Monument Recovery in Mesa, if that makes any difference.
So before going into stuff like that, did you have any questions about what's on that card?
I didn't really understand it.
Okay,
I'm gonna
so
be
that's
completely
exactly what I'm
honest.
here for. So here's the situation, sir. So right now, you have 3 rights under extradition that are summed up in that card. Number 1, you have a right to a hearing, an extradition hearing. That
You have the
hearing's
right to
currently
remain
set for October
silent.
13th in the downtown Superior Court.
Connecticut
Number 2,
is
you have a
way
right to
long.
hire your own attorney.
It's
You
a
don't get a
long
free
way.
attorney because this is a civil hearing. If you have your hearing, there's usually a public defender who's sitting there that can answer basic questions for you.
Or
but
better
they're not
known
your
as the
personal
public
attorney, okay?
pretenders.
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. Finally, you have under extradition law, you have the right for the governor of Arizona and the
Sheila,
governor
I
of
haven't done the parole
Connecticut
hearings
to
in
both
a
sign
minute.
warrants to have you extradited out of here after you have your hearing. That whole process takes 60 to 90 days after October 13th. So those are your 3 main rights under extradition. Do you understand everything I've told you so far?
Yes, sir.
All right. Before I continue, do you have any other court cases going on in Arizona?
No, sir.
All right. Sir, your second option is this. You can choose not to have that hearing. That's called waiving your hearing.
That's
If you
correct,
waive your
Kay.
hearing, you're going to be held non-bondable. That means no amount of money will get you out. But in exchange for that, the state of Connecticut will have 30 days to come get you starting from today's date instead of starting from October 13th. If they don't come get you within 30 days, you could be released. So those are your two options. Do you understand what I've told you?
Yes, I'd like to go with the bonded option.
Yeah, you'd like to try to, so you'd like to have your hearing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What up, Des?
So at this time, I will be affirming your court date of October 13th to have your fugitive of justice hearing.
Damn, he has
Again,
that
you're
big
gonna be
money
held
if he
on
could bail himself
$75,000
out.
cash bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs,
Wait,
or alcohol.
cash bond, so I can pay 10% of that?
No, full 75
You're
grand.
gonna have
Full
to buy
75
me a
grand.
new finger.
All right,
Just get one of those
can I just
tappers,
do the
those
other one
USB
then?
tappers.
All right, that's what you want to do?
Yeah, I'm sorry, I didn't know what that meant.
So
Come
you
on, I
understand
thought you
you're
were
gonna be
big
held
body shot
non-bondable.
calling,
That means no
homeboy.
amount of money gets you out. Do you understand that?
Hey,
You have to remain
JSB,
in
thank you for the
custody.
follow.
And so here's the third thing. If there are lots of people who come in here and they're like, I am not sure. I'm not allowed to give you legal advice. And so for people that are unsure, I just go ahead and affirm their extradition hearing just because it'll preserve their rights under
I
extradition.
thought he was really
Yeah,
me
I'm not
too.
sure.
Okay.
So-
Okay, so at this time again, I will be reaffirming your extradition hearing date on October 13th in the Downtown Superior Court, affirming the cash bond, $75,000. If you bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Understood.
All right, sir, if you want to wait right there, you're going to get some paperwork, okay?
All right.
This concludes the 11 p.m. calendar.
Damn, man, these 11 p.m. ones, they've been kind of short lately. Damn, 26 minutes. Well, it's better than the last 2 days. The other 2 days, man, it was real short. Super duper short. Anyhow, hey, Kimberly Cruz, thank you. Thank you, Kimberly. Thank you for that super fan. Highly appreciate you. And anybody else that sent a spicy, Sheila, Brian, Eric, Ryan, Sheila, Anita, Linda, Bren, Sharon, Brandman, just a small, Angela, little Jackie. Thank you. Highly appreciate you guys. Hey, Hector, have a good one, man. Have a good, dang, they kicked you out, man. It be like that sometimes. So tomorrow, I'm gonna have a little bit more free time tomorrow. I'll be jumping on for a bit. I'm gonna try, but I'm not gonna promise. I'm gonna try to get into Polk County tomorrow, all right? It's been a minute since we've been at Polk. I know you guys enjoy Polk County, Florida, and whatnot, so we'll try to get in tomorrow, all right? We'll see what we could do. Dizzy, hey, man, you're welcome. Let me see. Have a great night, James. I guess I'll go to work. Man, who wants to work at work, man? Go use the restroom or something for like 20, 30 minutes, man. There's nothing like using the restroom while you're getting paid. Nothing beats that, if you will. But hey, if you get caught at work, you get written up or they let you go, don't blame me. Everything within moderation, if you will. Let me see right here. Hey, good night, Kimberly. Buenas noches. Polk County is fire. Okay, looking forward to it for sure. Hey, thank you for the follow. Somebody, the name that starts with an S, I can't see that far. Gracias. Hey, Matthew, have a good one. Good night. James, I am going to bed. Hell yeah, get some sleep, man. Get some sleep. So happy to see you back doing the, hey, man. Hey, all I ask from you guys, tap the screen, share, and don't be a Mr. Krabby Patty. Don't be a Scrooge McDuck. You know, hey, all of the things that I asked for, it's free 99. It doesn't cost you anything. I'm not hitting you in the pocketbook. Don't, like I tell you guys, next week, my litter of 8 puppies don't need emergency surgery. They're not gonna need new glasses. They're not gonna need diapers. I'm not gonna need money for food for the litter of 8. Don't trip. I don't get. That's not my get down right here. I don't beg. I can't do it. I can't do it. Eric, right? Send me a heart. Hey, Dizzy, have a good night, man. I appreciate you. Angela, have a good night also, all right? Appreciate you guys. Let me see. Hey, Crystal laughing. Hey, man, I can't do it, man. I don't know how. I don't know how. Hey, man, you know what? Different strokes for different folks. I can't do it. I'll take it. Don't get me wrong. I'll take it, but I'm not going to. You know, I know everybody's rough out there. You know, we're barely, you know, I barely make enough money for these streams, you know, to be able to buy a dozen eggs, you know. So I know it's rough out there. I know, I understand it. Don't trip. Let me see. Did you to Palm Beach? Man, Kimberly, I have not, man. I'm not gonna even lie to you, Kimberly. I have not. Let me see. Electricity is getting cut off, but you just turned the lights off. They say I'll go watch reruns while I work. That's right, Crystal. Hell yeah, that's right. Okay. That Costco battery. Okay, so look, I can't read your name. Your name's too fancy for me. But look, I know you asked me about I know you asked me about the Costco battery. Okay, so check this out. If you buy a battery from Costco, normally they come with a either 24 month warranty or 36 months. All right. So let's say you bought a battery two years ago, all right, and your battery is about to give out, or you just want to replace it. All you do is you get a printed out your receipt from Costco. Your battery has to be paid and bought for at Costco, all right? And before that, either 24 months or 36 months, depending on what your limited warranty is, you take your battery out of your car. It's probably going to be a mission if you got a newer car. It's gonna be difficult, but you'll get through it. Just you look up a video on YT, and it'll give you the step-by-step on how to take out your battery, all right? You take that battery out. You might be thinking, James, but if I take my battery out, how am I going to get a Costco? Well, you could either take the battery off at Costco, or you have another car, take the battery off and drive yourself to Costco, or if you got a bike or whatever means of transportation, Uber, Lyft, or whatever, all right? So you take that battery back to Costco, and then take it up to the to the tire department, and then just let them know your battery doesn't work anymore. Show them your receipt, your membership card, and you'll be out of there with a brand new battery. The only thing is you have to do it before that period. If you wait until 3 years and 1 day, they're not gonna honor it. They're not gonna give you a new battery. You're gonna lose that. And I messed up recently when I did that. I waited until I think 10 days after it expired. My battery gave out, and I went and I was like, hey, I told the dude, I was like, hey, it just recently went out. Is there any way that you could make an exception? The dude was like, nope. So I had to pay for a brand new battery, and I had a pretty good run. I had already replaced that battery 2 times already. This would have been the third one off of the same receipt, but I blew it on that one. And normally what I do so I can remember, I'll normally write the date of when I purchased that battery, and then before that time I'm normally returned it. But this time I forgot about it. I just been having a lot of other things on my mind, and I dropped the ball on that, and it ended up costing me $130, to get a new battery. But it is what it is. You live and you learn. Let me see. So hey, hopefully that clears up the question in regards to the battery hack at Costco. All right. Hopefully that helps you out. I know it's helped me in the past before, replacing the battery a few times. Say, oh, I didn't know. I wasn't aware of that, Crystal, but hey, good to know. Hey, thanks for sure. For sure. I think AutoZone. I know I've done that at AutoZone before. I had a Optima yellow top battery, because I used to push a JLW W12 in my trunk before. This was years ago. So, but I think for those batteries, I think you have to replace them within 24 months. So I would replace those batteries every 24 months, and those were a little bit more costly than the ones from Costco. But yeah, normally a lot of batteries they come with like either a 2-year or 24 month or 36 month warranty. So hopefully that helps you guys out, to game the system, if you will. I know some people might not like to do that, but shit, times is rough. Like I said, I'm struggling to, pick up a 12-pack of eggs here. So, I gotta save whenever I can. Hey guys, I do appreciate you guys. I am Collect Call James. You guys are watching. You have a collect call from, and like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. Let me see. El Fluffy Chick. Do they prorate, or they give you the full return? They'll give you the full return. You know what I've noticed? What'll normally happen is they'll give you the full return, but normally within those 3 years, the price of the battery normally goes up like $10, $5 or $10, maybe even $20. So you just have to pay the difference. Once you return it, they'll put that credit on a cash card, and then you just pay the difference. Which is, I'd rather pay $10-15 opposed to buying a brand new battery for $100, $120, $130, or $150, depending on what kind of battery you need for your car. So all right, cool. All right. So hey, I do appreciate you guys. I am Collect Call James. You guys are watching. You have a collect call from. And like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. And with that, I'm out. 180 for my truck. You see, I know some of those trucks be having some big ass batteries. So that's what I'm saying. Shit, you know what I could do with 180 smackaroonies? Sheesh. Pay my cell phone bill. Anyhow, hey, with that, I'm out. A rato y buenas noches. Gotta go to bed, man. I've been on a good one today. I think I spent a good part of my day on live today. You guys have a good one, all right?